Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. This video is on a recent Nature Medicine article titled Integrating the Environmental and Genetic Architectures of Aging and Mortality. Human aging is influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. This study examines how the exposome, that's environmental factors, compares with genetics in determining aging and mortality. They use data from the UK Biobank of 492,567 individuals, assessed mortality, multimorbidity, and aging biomarkers. They conducted an exposome-wide analysis, or XVAS, to identify environmental factors linked to aging and mortality. They used the proteomic age clock in 45,441 individuals to measure biological aging. They compared the exposome influence with polygenic risk scores for 22 major diseases. Key findings: exposome explains an additional 17% of mortality variation, while genetics adds only 2%. Polygenic risk is more predictive for dementia and cancers, whereas the exposome is dominant for heart, lung, and liver disease. So for the heart, lung, and liver, think of environmental factors. For dementia and cancers, think of genetics. 25 independent environmental exposures significantly impact aging and mortality. Top environmental factors: harmful factors: smoking was the strongest risk factor. Others were low socioeconomic status, living in public housing, tiredness and stress, maternal smoking at birth. Protective factors: higher household income, regular physical activity, adequate sleep duration, social interactions and partnership, and higher education. In conclusion, the exposome has a greater impact on aging and mortality than genetics. Environmental interventions may be more effective than genetic-based strategies for extending lifespan. Future research should integrate multi-omics approaches to further decode aging mechanisms.